Hey everyone, this is the mini for the Hoover vacuum from Sedera Ford Pittman, 10 at 480. Spot 1 wins 10, 2 gets 10, 3 gets 5, 4 gets 5, 5 gets 5, 6 gets 4, 7 gets 3, 8 gets 2, 9 gets 2, and 10 gets 2. I'll copy our list. Go live. 643. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Get a 4 or higher. 643. We got a 4. 643 4 times. 10 items on the list. There's 2. 10 items on the list. Miss Christie on top, Miss Stephanie on the bottom. Are randomized 3 times. Dice called for a 4. 643, final time. Good luck, everyone. Alright, top spot, Miss Loretta gets 10 spots. Second spot, Miss Stephanie gets 10 spots. Third spot, Miss Dora gets 5. Fourth spot, Miss Loretta gets 5. Fifth spot, Miss Lisa gets 5. Sixth spot, Miss Loretta gets 4. Seventh, Miss Loretta gets 3. Eighth spot, Miss Alicia gets 2. 9 spot, Miss Anita gets 2. And 10 spot, Miss Christie gets 2. 10 items, 4 times, 4 on the dice. Congrats, winners. Yeah, let's not type congrats, winners. We are done at 6:44. Thanks, everyone.